Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're gonna do the merge request. So I put another merge. I did it, came over here. Well, you don't even see it, but let's do this. So I created another test. The first video I created was jank. So I went to portfolio, made another change here, created a pull request, kind of like what we did before, but I changed it previously what it was. What you want to do differently is, and this is something I made a mistake on. So in our first repo, we have multiple branches. What we want to do is anytime that you're creating your dev branch is obviously where you want your code to go to. You want it to merge into the dev branch. But for the most part of it, your feature branch will be where, that'll be the branch that you, kind of like your silo, and you want to create that feature branch. I put feature 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do feature hyphen something, a 4-digit number of some sort that hasn't been utilized. And then that way, if that branch gets deleted, it's fine because it's only there as a temporary solution. And so once the key of it is once it's finalized and it's merged into its environment, it should be purged from there. And that makes a lot more sense than you purging your actual branch. So that would be a problem. So I created that on feature 1, 2, 3, 4, and I signed a pull request to Landshark Wines, as you see right here. So what I'm gonna do now is go back over here. I received an email, it says update test. You can view your comment or merge this request right here. So it shows that there was a change, and this is what type of email that you'll get. So I'll click on the pull request here, and it should pull it in here. Update request, this branch has no conflicts, blah, blah, blah. So files change 1, so feature branches 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. So what I'll do here is I'll click on the feature 1, 2, 3, 4 branch. I could look at portfolio. I could come in and make suggestions, but we want to work off the pull request itself. So let's go back over here and let's see here. We don't want to click on this because we want to make observations, and I'm trying to remember how to do that. One file changed. What am I getting a notification of? Someone notify me. All right, so one file change, checks review changes, click review changes. And this is where I'm looking for you to make observations. So you can look at that person's code. You could come here and say, you know what? For example, the HTML headers are off. Body should be at the top and not after the P's, declaration or tags, something along that area, comment. If you approve it, that's fine. Another thing is, you did your preview there, but you also might want to come in here, click on edit file, which I would highly recommend, and make some changes to that person's code. So, we look at this and we're like, you know what, let's get this out of here. And they don't have to approve it, but they could review your comments, what you said and why you suggested something like that. And then maybe you're like, hey, you know what, make it portfolio, boom. So now what you would do here is you would come down here and say, updating a change to fix an issue that I seen, okay? And then you would commit directly to that branch, or you could create a new branch and have them merge, but we'll just commit changes here for this purpose. So you made a change to this. You could click on review changes, HTML headers are off. And then you could add down here, I added some changes that I believe will be more suitable for a better solution, okay? And then I'll just sign off this Landshark and comment and then submit review. And there you go, checking ability. All right, the branch has no conflicts on a base branch. Now, I come back over here as, that person that submitted that request. I'll go into the pull request. I see that, you know, he's made some content changes. I could look at the changes 17 seconds ago. You see in the red, it means that it's been purged. I see in the green, which means that something has been added, and I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. So I could comment back and forth if I need to, but let's go back out here. And I'm like, you know what? I like it. So if you like it, merge it, and then you can say merging changes from plan chart recommendations, and hit confirm merge. All right, there you go. So now the pull request is successfully merged, and now you're set. That branch that we had, the feature branch, we could go out and purge it. But before we do that, let's just make sure that, you know, that information has been taken care of. Has it been, oops, wrong one. Has it been merged into the right branch? So it's showing here that we had it, let's see, a second ago, it was merged into the master branch. So what we want to do is make sure that that's true. There's your portfolio. It was merged appropriately. So what you can do is you could go back to your pull request. Oh, it's closed already, but you could have deleted that branch. So we don't really need that branch, and we could delete it, hard code it, no big deal. So for example, feature branch, we could delete this branch because now it's not even needed at this point, okay? So hopefully that video was very helpful for you. It's a way to get started. That's kind of how I'm visualizing module number 4 for individuals who are working back and forth. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Talk to you soon.